Hey, great morning. It's your girl LaKeisha Hankins here from LaKeishaHankins.com, and I just wanted to bring you this quick video where I talk to you today. I want to have a discussion about your most valuable asset in your business, and that business asset is your customer list. You've heard the phrase before that your money is in your list. In other words, your subscribers have value, right? So today I want to share with you one particular type of list that is the more valuable than any other list that you may have, and that is your customer list. That's because these people have already spent money with you already, and guess what? They're more than likely to do it again and again, and that is what makes them one of your most valuable business assets. So over the course of this video, I'm going to share with you why they're important, right? And why your number one goal should be to focus on building your customer list, okay? Because like I said, your customers, these are people who have already purchased from you, so they already trust you. So if your product provides great value to them, and you should always put something out there that adds value to the marketplace, right? They also like you. So over the course of consuming that product or being a part of your funnel, they also get to know you better, okay? So in other words, you are building that like, know, and trust factor when it comes to building your business. And that means people are more than likely to buy something from you when you recommend a product or you come out with a new service. And this can be your own product or something you've been promoting as an affiliate. Okay? So when you have an offer and you send it to your customer list, right? Because when you have a email list, you have different segments or different tags depending on what email provider you're using. When you send information to the list that has already purchased from you, your customer list, the conversions on those are a lot more higher. They're more likely to open up because they're like, okay, what is it that she's offering today? What type of value? What is she here to show, teach me, to help me with in whatever issue that they're dealing with? Okay, because they joined your list for a reason. Okay, so you will see that your conversion rate for your customer list is a lot higher. They're more likely to open your emails as well, and then that's where you want to spend your time doing your research and looking at your metrics in your back office and looking at what emails are getting opened the most. Okay, and leverage those. Okay, so it does take it doesn't take a lot of customers, right, to make have a profitable business. It does not take a lot of customers. And that's why it's so important that when you do get customers, you focus on nurturing that relationship. And on that list that's growing the most, you want to make sure that list is the one that's growing. Okay, so versus getting caught up in feeling like you have to constantly add 100 leads today, 7 leads tomorrow, all those different things. Focus on adding value and, nurturing your customers. And the benefits don't stop there because, like I said, your customers, they're your number one valuable asset, but they're also your most loyal audience when it comes to business. They're more likely to spread the word about what it is that you do. They will defend you online, and there is nothing better than word of mouth advertising. So that's less advertising that you have to do, whether you're doing paid Facebook ads or you're posting in Facebook groups, on Instagrams, all those things. Word of mouth advertising and testimonials create the most valuable social proof that there is. So how do you get more customers? You get more customers by adding a low-cost product or service to your funnel, right? And constantly promoting it to the rest of your list. So you want to make it your number one goal to grow your customer list. As we are working on finishing this year strong, if you want on my previous webinar, we talked about that, how to finish the year strong. And you want to make sure that your customers are, number one, you focus on growing your customer list. Create something of value that relates to your opt-in offer and promote it on your thank you page. This is also known as a tripwire. Okay. And in the first few emails, you want to occasionally and throughout it work on converting a portion of your email subscribers into customers, and you want to do this right away. You want to focus on turning them into customers while the list is still hot, and this can be your own product or service, or you can be an affiliate to a product or service that's related to what it is that you do. So that is my tip for you. I just wanted to share that with you. And I want you to comment below and let me know, what can you do today to work on growing your very own customer list? What's working for you? Okay, so share below, and thank you guys. Continue to have a blessed day. And if you haven't, make sure you follow me over at LaKeishaHankins.com for more tips, training, and strategies to help you unleash your best life.